Hello, my dear friends. A very, very hearty good evening to one and all. Hello, everyone. Yes, I can see many people joining in. Many loads of students, current batch students joining in. Really very happy to see you all. Hello, Nikhil sir. Hello, Shreya. Hi, good evening, Avni. So, we with CAPS Academy NGP page are coming up with new Insta Live sessions. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते ही हैं कि हमारा every Friday at 9:30 p.m. we have come up with hashtag Faculty Friday. And to serve our students in a better way, just अभी CBSE के results आए हुए हैं. So we thought of taking up the toppers talk, that is hashtag toppers talk. हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि जो हमारे 12th CBSE के एंड 12th स्टेट बोर्ड के टॉपर्स हैं उन लोगों के साथ में क्यों ना एक इंस्टा लाइव इंटरेक्शन रखवाया जाए हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का, सो दैट दे ऑल्सो फील मोटिवेटेड. So, to carry on with this series, this is our first episode of hashtag Toppers Talk. And you would be thinking that कि मैम इस बार तो CBSE के एग्जाम्स ही नहीं हुए, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, and you are telling us that this is a Toppers Talk. So don't forget friends that CBSE ने जो भी evaluation दिया था वो internal markings के ऊपर दिया था. Throughout the entire session जो स्कूल्स में वेरियस यूनिट टेस्ट, फाइनल एग्जाम्स, टर्मिनल्स जो भी हुई थी उनके बेसिस पे ये मार्क्स अलॉट किए गए हैं. एंड ऑल्सो यू ऑल नो दैट इन आवर CAPS Academy we also take up unit test and various test series throughout the year to judge the students' performance. And जो हम लोगों ने एक probable meritorious list निकाली थी हमारे students को ध्यान में रखते हुए, उनके marks उसी के आसपास थे in their board exams. So nonetheless, we cannot snatch up the credit because they have really worked very hard throughout the year, and I have many students of my class from CBSE as well as state board who have given their tireless efforts throughout the year. So without wasting much of our time, let us call Sanika Kirange, our 12th CBSE first topper, and she has scored 97.8 percentage. Oh my dear. And she is a very, very sincere student of ours. So I'll just check in if she has joined. I'm just waiting for Sanika Kirange to join in. And friends, you can definitely pour in your questions in the comment section. Oh, hello Sanika.
A very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am, and very
The funniest part is, kids, जब मैंने सानिका को ये इंटरव्यू लेने का एक कॉल किया था तो सानिका ने सबसे पहले मुझसे ये बात की थी कि मैम मैं इंस्टा पे ही नहीं हूँ. तो आई वॉज अ बिट शेकन अप. ओके, शी इज नॉट ऑन इंस्टा. दैट वॉज अ बिट सरप्राइजिंग फॉर मी कि ठीक है. ओके, देन आई रिक्वेस्टेड हर कि सानिका प्लीज सिर्फ ये लाइव सेशन के लिए आओगी क्या, या व्हाट्स योर कॉल. उसने बोला नहीं मैम ठीक है, फिर सिर्फ ये लाइव सेशन के लिए मैं आती हूँ. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी ईगर टू नो टॉक टू द किड्स. So yes, we welcome you all and we congratulate you first of all for your 97.8 percentage. I can
Thank you,
remember
ma'am.
yes, I can remember the answer sheet that you have. No, आप जो टेस्ट सीरीज में जो एक पेपर लिखते थे, माय गॉड, ऐसा लग रहा था कि आपने बुक ही पूरी छापी है. एंड इट्स रियली, तुम्हारा पेपर हमेशा ही ऑसम रहता था. आपका पेपर चेक करने के बाद में ना दिल खुश हो जाता था कि यार यस, आई हैव रियली टॉट students, and students really can pour in their knowledge in the paper. So, yes, let us start with the session. First of all, I would like you to share with us what keeps you going and inspiring in your 11th and 12th journey, as well as now in your CA Foundation journey. What is that inspiration that keeps you going, Sanika?
Well, ma'am, the inspiring force and the force which has always driven me and motivated me to study and to work hard, that has been two things in my life. The first and the foremost thing is undoubtedly my parents. My parents have always entrusted faith within me, and that has motivated me and that has always driven me to work harder and harder. whether it be whether it be to choose my career option, whether it be to choose my stream, or whether it be decision between state or CBSE, which school to go, which academy to choose, all the decisions had been always at my discretion. So my parents have given me always freedom to decide according to my will, and they have trust and faith in me that I will always choose the right one. So this faith has always driven me to work hard, and that has also added on a responsibility, and I feel it is very good. And the second thing which I would like to mention
Definitely.
is the faith. Yes, the first thing was the faith of my parents in me, and the second thing has been the faith of me in my career choice. My career choice has been my CA
Wow.
career, and I have decided it right from my 8th standard. Once my 8th standard class
Oh,
teacher was asking everyone, yes, she was asking everyone that what would be your career choice, or where do you see yourself in the next 5 years. So at that time, I did not have any
oh,
answer to that. But then onwards, I started discussing on it with my parents and my friends that what would be their choice and what would be their suggestions to me. And that is when I came to CA course. And coming from a non-commerce family background, it has been a great opportunity for me to grow, and my family has always supported me in my choices. And also, CA is a very
that,
promising career. Yes, and
yes,
that is
definitely.
always, yes.
Great, great. I have always seen you as a person who is always clear in her vision, and I can judge that from your answer. A very clear, crisp answer for a question. Kudos, really, Sanika, kudos. My next question is: can you share in some study tips for this practical papers like accounts, mathematics?
Yes,
Some study tips for practical papers.
yes. Practical papers, I would first like to clear the misconceptions that people have about practical subject. Most of the people think that practical subject are all about formulas, and even if we learn the formulas, we will be able to excel in that. But let me clear it, my friends, that just learning the formula is not enough. You need to practice it all, and or not only practice, but a consistent practice will help you to get to give it a go. And discussing about the practical subjects, it has been mathematics, accountancy, and I would also like to include the macroeconomics part of the economics paper which we have, because it also has some numericals in it. Now, first moving to the mathematics, I would say that I have been taught mathematics by Anand sir right from my 11th standard, and I have found him the most disciplined faculty that I have ever seen, and he ensures maximum coverage of questions,
Oh,
and these questions that we have solved have been of three types, that is the variety of questions, the quality of questions, and the number of questions. We have covered almost each and every question of each and every chapter of NCERT, and we have solved hundreds of extra questions on top of that, and we have also solved a CBSE sample
oh,
paper with that. So the practice is abundance, and this is
wow.
what the teacher does for you. And what you have to do as on your part is that you have to know all the formulas, and not just knowing is not enough. You have to learn all the formulas and know the concept. That is the concept or the topic which I am studying. How is it applicable in my life? Because it is important to know that whatever you are studying is important to you. Then only you will gain interest in the topic. And of course, practice is what you need to excel.
Very true.
I would like to mention some of the main chapters that you need to focus on. That is integration, differential equations,
Oh, wow.
application of derivatives, vectors, 3D geometry, and probability. These are the chapters in which you need to have a bit of more practice, and you can do it from RD or any other reference book or maybe NCRT exemplar as well. And moving on to the next subject, we have accountancy, which has been taught us by Virag sir. Virag sir always teaches with in-depth concept and has given us some extra knowledge, which is really helpful in our professional career. Now, moving down to the subject, I will always say that you always practice questions in your classes, but most of the people do what they do is they skip the illustrations. So I will make sure that you always solve the illustrations, and of course do not skip the theory. The theory part is most important because it does come in your MCQ part. Then the most important concept that I would like to highlight here is that most of the student face time lag when they solve the paper. So time plays a very important role when you are solving your examination, and you have to maintain a good speed for that. And I would give you one main tip about it, that is to have hold on your concept, and of course practice is all what you need. And of course I would also again like to highlight the main chapters, that is partnership, because partnership consists about 30 to 40 marks of your main question paper, and company accounts 1 8 mark short question. Then you have cash flow, that is of 6 marks, and you have non-profit organization.
This girl is amazing. You are.
Then moving on to macroeconomics, which is taught us by Ashish sir. Ashish sir is a faculty with a fantastic personality, and he explains till every student understands it. Rather, every faculty at CAPS Academy explains the concept until every student understands it. Now about macroeconomics, how I have learned macroeconomics is by flowcharts and tables and by consistent revision, because flowcharts and tables is what makes me to understand the relatability between the concepts, and also diagrammatic representations helps in easy way of understanding it. Then that's it for practical subjects.
Okay, then go and share some tips about theory subjects, which I feel many students feel dreadful of.
Theory subjects have been actually I primarily had some fear about theory subjects, but then when I moved on to business studies, which was taught by you, I found that you are a very friendly faculty, and you teach with real life examples, which helped me in easy understandability and helped me to remove this fear of theory subject. Now in case of business studies, you can improve by focusing more on conceptual clarity, and what you need to practice more is more of case study based questions, because in this examination you are going to have based questions which are important and which can only be solved by conceptual clarity. So you need to have that conceptual clarity about each chapter, and of course when you do your revisions, you need to do revision in one go. If you are going with part A of business studies, then you need to revise it in one go, because all the chapters are interlinked with each other, so you need to revise it in that order only.
Correct.
And then make use of flowcharts in your paper presentation and highlight the key points. This will make your paper presentation go well. And of course, do go through the workbook because it consists of many past exam questions. And since all chapters are interlinked, you have to revise it all in one go or in the same sequence, whether it be part A or part B. And then moving on to English, I would recommend to read all the lessons and poems of English literature with full concentration, because you have 20 MCQs on the English literature itself, and many people consider that having MCQs is a plus point, but those MCQs are in so much in depth of the stories that you have to be precise when you answer
Right.
it.
Yes,
And
yes.
you have to bring about the theme and morale that the author or poets wants to communicate. And in case of writing section, I would recommend that writing practice of letters, resume, article writing, report writing is must. You must at least solve 2 to 3 of each writing section that you have.
Oh, that is really, you just made all the things so clear, Sanika. I can, no, students and my friends, you can definitely judge the way in which she would be answering the questions of the paper. A very crisp, clear, to the point, never failing in anything. Wow, wow. Great, great. Now I would like to step up with how do you manage time? See, nowadays, due to that Save 6 months notification, the students have
Yes.
started preparing their 11th, 12th CA foundation along with their 11th and 12th studies. So please
Yes.
share us some tips on how to manage this all together, 11th, 12th CA foundation, everything all together.
First of all, I would like to say that the ones who have chosen for this option of getting their CA foundation done along with their 12th, it's a very good option, and you must go for it. And about time management, I would like to say that yes, you have now this is August month going on, and they are going to have their examinations in November or December. So I would recommend them to complete all their CA foundation course within these months so that they can study about so that they can study their CA course until November, and they also have to complete their November or December. Actually, their exam is going to be all MCQ based and only 90 minutes exam, so they can
Yes,
easily achieve
yes.
it until November.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and
Correct.
in January, February, and March, they are going to have their practical examinations, as well as they will have to prepare themselves for the March and April semester that they are going to have. So I will recommend
Very
them
true.
to complete
Yes.
then to complete their CA foundation before November, so that they can focus on their later exams and practicals.
Very
And
true.
about the time
Yes, yes.
management
Very
skills,
true. Very
and about their time management skills, I would say that uh, they will have to manage. They will have to skip something for something. Means they will have to make priority as to what they want to attend as of now. And along with time
yes,
management,
yes,
I would
yes.
also like to mention some of the other tips that they can follow in order to increase their efficiency. And those would be to
Yes, please
have
go on.
a good mental outlook or have a good mindset about what they are to pursue. That is, once Ashish sir said in one of his classes that if you think you can, you are right, and if you think you cannot, you are right. That is, your mindset decides what you are going to be in the future. and of course,
Yes.
this mindset can be built with the help of positive thinking. I have been reading this book of Positive Imaging by Norman Vincent Peale, and this book has given me an idea
Oh,
what wonders positive thinking can do in our life. And of course, I would also like to
oh,
mention the point that students tend to compare themselves with other students, be it their seniors, juniors, or the students that
yes.
are studying with them. I would recommend them to not do
Yes.
this because it is very toxic to a student, and they should not engage in the competition practices because competition
Yes.
also
Yeah.
again leads to comparison among students. And we had a webinar by CA Marpakwar ma'am, that is Rebel the Race, and in this webinar she had told
Yes.
that if at all you want to have a competition, you should have a competition with yourself. That is, you should break your previous records, and you should compete with yourself. And again, if you want to have another type of competition, you may go for a healthy competition. That is, you may help your friends to grow, and your friends will help you to grow. That is, by mutual understanding, you can grow. And yes, one more thing I would like to suggest, that is, you have to answer in class. Many people
Yes.
have this fear in their mind that मैं अगर आंसर करूंगी तो मेरा आंसर गलत हो गया तो क्या हुआ, अगर आंसर
Yes.
गलत हुआ तो क्या हुआ, ज्यादा से ज्यादा गलत ही होगा ना. एटलीस्ट यू हैव ट्राइड, एटलीस्ट यू हैव गिवन, at least you have expressed your views on the topic. That is what builds your self image about yourself. And I have learned these things from scout, that scouts are always ready to accept that they can be wrong, and they are ready to learn from their mistake and improve it. And similarly, we should also not be uh, we should not be we should not be we should not be having fear of being wrong. We should learn from our mistakes and then move on. But at least we should express our views, and we should answer in class, and at the same time we should clear our doubts right in the class. Or if you are not comfortable in clearing your doubts in the class, the teachers have given you the facilities of texting them your doubts so that they can be solved. And I would also like to clear the misconception of students on the matter of smart study. That is, many students think that smart study means neglecting the least priority topics. That is, smart study is not
ABC analysis
neglecting the
paper,
least
yes.
priority. Yes, yes. It does not
Yes.
mean it does not mean neglecting the least priority topics, but it is to study them later. It is important to study everything, but you can prioritize it, but never leave any of the topic. Study your topic fully. And yes, it is not important to study continuously, but important to study consistently. And as the success mantra is given by Virag sir, that is build small, build often. And that's all what you should rely upon.
Oh, wow. Wonderfully explained, Sanika. So, since you have mentioned so many teachers, Ashish sir, Gauri ma'am, Virag sir, throughout your journey, I would come up with this question now. What what is the role of a teacher in a student's journey, and what the role of a teacher has been in your journey as well? We
Yes.
would love to know that.
Well, again, I have had two types of teachers. The teachers that I have in my family at home, and the teachers that I have in my family in the school and my coaching classes. The teachers at my family are always supporting and have always stood by me, and they have trusted me in every decision of my life. And the teachers of the family of my school and coaching classes have always motivated me and made me feel that I can do it, and they have always supplied with the necessary facilities that can help me to clear on my concepts.
That's really great, Sanika. And I really remember that your batch was the first batch wherein online learning just had
Yes.
started. Remember, it was just, you completed your 11th standard. You all were very enthusiastic to join in with us for your 12th standard. And there was this pandemic in the month of March. We were about to start our 12th standard classes in the month of
Yes.
March, the end of March. But yes, due to this pandemic, we thought to shift it online. Many students even thought कि क्या है, एक महीने में 10-15 दिन में शुरू हो जाएगा सब कुछ. Why are you taking so much pains? So I think your journey throughout your 12th standard has been online only. So can you please
Yes.
focus on what are the pros and cons of learning online, and what were the facilities provided by CAPS Academy which you thought were a notable thing in your journey?
Yes. Well, as we know that everything in life has its own pros and cons, and so does online learning. Well, I would tell that online learning has some of its pros, such as it has saved enormous time, be it in traveling or it has also saved the students from some of the school formalities that they have to do, such as giving
Well said.
attendance and all. Yes,
Yes, yes.
so it saves a lot of time and it has helped me a lot. And also, the facilities provided by CAPS Academy in this phase of online learning were backup lectures. And also, if some of the students have missed their classes due to any due to any internet cutout or something, then the teachers used to explain the concept 2 to 3 times so that the students are able to understand it.
Very true. Very true. And of course, there was doubt solving, as Sandika referred about doubt solving. That
Yes,
it is not. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना कि क्लास में बहुत बड़ी बैच है, जैसे आप अभी देखते हो आपके फाउंडेशन में काफी बड़ी बैच होती है, तो स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाते हैं. एवरी स्टूडेंट इज नॉट सो आउटरेजियस कि हम लोग सारी चीजें पूछ ले. तो वी ऑल्सो हैव चैट रूम्स, पर्सनलाइज चैट रूम्स, जहाँ पे वन
yes,
टू वन टीचर के साथ में बात हो सकती है. वी टेक अप दो चैट्स इन द क्लास इटसेल्फ. Or if you are even hesitant on writing those chats, you can reach us onto our WhatsApp
yes,
any point of time, and we always make sure that those doubts never go unsolved. We always make sure. Sometimes even if I don't remember, I keep the doubts pinned in my WhatsApp so that I can at
yes,
least remember क्योंकि ये बच्चों के doubts solve होने के. You can see sometimes I reply थोड़ी देर बाद, but ठीक है. I every faculty makes sure that your doubts are solved very well, sir. And yes, there are some hesitant people as well in the class, so it is all about personality. So हमारे पास में वो भी सारे अलग अलग options हैं to ask your doubts, right? Yes, great. And प्लीज आप थोड़ा सा ये बताइए कि बच्चे लोग ना आजकल, जैसे अभी ये पैंडेमिक में तो 11th एंड 12th को बिल्कुल ही निग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं. They feel that no, 11th के क्या क्लासेस लगाना, 12th की क्या, we'll just see into directly into CA curriculum, just तब देखेंगे. तो आप बताइए कि what is the importance of this 11th and 12th for your professional studies, and since you are doing CA foundation, आप CA कर रहे हो, अभी आपको पता है क्या curriculum है, how has this helped you?
yes. As we all know that to build a strong building and a long lasting building, you need to have a strong base, that is strong foundation, and that is built in your 11th and 12th standard. I would like to mention some of the 11th and 12th standard chapters that have helped me in my CA foundation course. Starting with maths, in 12th standard you have chapters of probability, integration, differentiation, relations, functions, matrices, linear programming, and all these are included in your CA foundation course. And your 11th standard chapters such as sets, relations, functions, linear inequalities, permutations, combinations, sequences, series, and again probability are included in your CA foundation course. Coming down to accountancy subject, in 12th standard you have non-profit organization, partnership, which are included in your foundation course, cash flow, which is included in your CA intermediate course, and company accounts, which is included in all the three levels of CA foundation. In all the three levels of CA course,
Yes,
that is
yes,
CA
yes,
foundation, CA intermediate, as well as CA final. And
yes.
in the 11th standard chapter, you have journal entry, cash book, subsidiary book, depreciation, final accounts of sole proprietorship firm. All these chapters are included in your CA foundation course. And we have then economics. In economics, if you want to pursue your career in economics honors, then full macroeconomics that you have studied in your 12th standard is going to be very helpful to build up your foundation. And the 11th standard microeconomics is very helpful in your CA foundation course, as it
Oh.
is, yes, as the
Yes, 11th
chapters are the
standard she
same.
mentioned, my dear friends. 11th standard. Yes, very true.
The chapters are all the same in your economics, business economics. Then coming down to business studies, your 12th standard chapters of financial management is an individual subject in CA intermediate. And if you are aspiring to deal in stock market, then financial market chapter introduces us to the basics of it. And if you are aspiring to become an entrepreneur, then the whole of 12th standard business studies is to your help. That is, you have studied principles of management, business environment, then planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and of course marketing management, which is the most crucial part of any business. And the 11th standard business studies is all what is BCK in CA Foundation, that is business
Oh,
correspondence and knowledge,
okay.
business commercial and knowledge.
Yes, business commercial.
And
Yes.
even in English, you have English literature of 11th and 12th, which not only adds to entertainment but also because of the humor brought by the authors and the poets, but it also enriches and humanity and love because of the strong themes that the authors and poets wants to bring about by their writings. And the writing sections, moving on to the writing section, the letter writing, resume writing, article writing, formal invitation are going to help us in the BCK of CA
Yes.
Foundation.
BCR, yes,
And
business correspondence and reporting.
yes,
BCR, which is
BCR.
with law, 2B paper, paper
Yes.
2. Yes, yes,
And
yes.
after all, if I sow, I will definitely reap. That is, knowledge and education never goes in vain.
Definitely, definitely. Really, really. So these are really sort about points. You have really sorted the things so well. No, just like a teacher, you're explaining her. This is just kind of a counseling session for the kids. Definitely, Sanika. ये आपने जो हर एक चैप्टर का नाम देके स्ट्रेस करके बताया है, ये बहुत अच्छा किया. बिकॉज हम लोग जब बच्चों को बताते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स समटाइम्स फील दैट वी आर बायस्ड. नो, हम लोग जस्ट बिकॉज टू लेट देम कम, ऐसा नहीं है बेटा. आपने जब एज ए स्टूडेंट ये सारी चीजें एक्सपीरियंस की कि वाकई में
Yes.
आपका जो काउंसलिंग हुआ था 10th के बाद में, और जो आपको बताया गया था और आपने वो प्रैक्टिकली यस देखा कि यस मैम आई हैव सीन, यस सर आई हैव सीन दिस, जो आप लोगों ने हमको बताया था स्टार्टिंग में कि बेटा इम्पोर्टेंस है, इसका इम्पोर्टेंस है. जैसे कि हम प्ले ग्रुप में बताते हैं बच्चों को कि A to Z पढ़ लो अच्छे से, इम्पोर्टेंस है उसका, आगे आप स्पेलिंग्स उसी से बनाने वाले हो. तो yes, you I'm really happy that you noted this point and referred to the chapters even, so that kids का confidence और बढ़ गया है कि नहीं यार, सानिका ने बताया है तो definitely इसमें कुछ बात होगी. Wow, really. And some goal oriented question which I want to ask is, what are your goals? How do you see yourself? Oh no, I'm just like sounding like your 8th standard teacher, or no, I don't know. Maybe this might give you some other vision in your life. But yes, how do you see yourself 5 years down the line? Or what are your goals?
My primary objective is to complete my CA foundation, and my main goal is to become a chartered accountant. And I am open to new career opportunities that would add to the leverage to my CA career.
Even the career opportunities are waiting for a girl like Sanika. I feel so proud, no, whenever I see all the girls doing so much fine. I'm not gender biased, but yes, I feel एक छोटा सा एक appreciation या एक proud point में हमेशा एक ज़्यादा आ जाता है whenever I see the girls of my class doing so well. I've always mentioned this in your classes as well. कि yes, जहाँ पे लड़कियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करती है ना, तो मुझे बहुत दिल खोल के अच्छा लगता है कि वाह यार, दीज गर्ल्स आर डूइंग. आप लोगों के बैच की बहुत सारी अनगिनत ऐसी लड़कियां हैं जिन्होंने रियली लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा, एंड दे आर रियली ओबीडियंट, रियली गुड बाय हार्ट एज वेल एज बाय माइंड. और वो बहुत ऑलराउंडर है, उनको कुछ भी पूछ लो, उनको क्लास का सब कुछ आता है, उनका होमवर्क ऑलवेज कंप्लीट रहता है, एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर पूछ लो, कैंप जाना है, फ्रेंडशिप डे वॉक पे चलना है, तो दे आर ऑलवेज रेडी. Really, really, I'm really super proud of each and every one of you. As I've always said कि as a teacher हम किसी में भी भेदभाव नहीं करेंगे, हमारे लिए सारे बच्चे समान हैं. Your batch was and really is, हमारे साथ में अभी भी आप काफी लोग CA फाउंडेशन CSWT के लिए एनरोल्ड हैं, तो हम लोग उनको अभी भी हम उनको पढ़ा रहे हैं. So I can see a different spark in each and every kid of your class. So that is really, really so good. And सानिका, मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. And
The pleasure is all mine, ma'am.
थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक्स अ लॉट. एंड अगर सानिका की बात की जाए तो ये हमेशा क्लास में बिल्कुल चुपचाप सी फर्स्ट सेकंड बेंच पे आने वाली लड़की है, चुपचाप बैठी रहती थी, एकदम धीरे से कोई डाउट पूछेगी अगर पूछेगी भी तो. एंड लेकिन कंसेप्ट वाला कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछो तो सानिका का आवाज सबसे पहले आता था कि यस मैम, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा. डाउट्स भी अगर पूछती है ना तो एकदम ऐसे टिपिकल डाउट पूछती है जिसका टीचर को भी थोड़ी देर सोचना पड़ता है कि ये सानिका ने पूछा ये डाउट तो अपने को बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू ऑलवेज थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन सीरियसली। यानी आप लोगों की बैच, इवन जो हमारी करंट 12th की बैच के स्टूडेंट्स काफी सारे हमारे साथ में ज्वाइन किए, इनके भी जो डाउट्स रहते हैं वेरी क्रिस्प पिन पॉइंट डाउट्स, मजा आ जाता है इनके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए। एज अ टीचर हमारे लिए भी बहुत चैलेंजिंग टास्क हमको भी अच्छे लगते हैं कि ये स्टूडेंट्स शुड आस्क, दे शुड ऑलवेज बी eager to learn. So yes, definitely we are always fortunate enough to have such wonderful kids like you and every other kid of your class and of course जो आपकी juniors की batch है। सच में हमको भी बहुत एज अ टीचर मजा आता है एंड इट वाज अ privilege talking to you, Sanika. Thanks for sharing all the insights that you have shared with us, and we love talking to you. And you have a way to go, Sanika. You have a way to go. I'm really waiting, love. No, 5 years, 10 years down the line, you would be creating wonders. Seriously, all the very best. Just keep going and stay as you are.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yes,
would like to thank CAPS Academy for giving me this opportunity to express my views, share my experience, and of course, always happy to help.
oh wow, that's really so nice. Okay, then see you all on next Thursday क्यों, कल ही फैकल्टी फ्राइडे
Faculty
है
Friday.
हमारा। यस, टुमारो 9:30 PM फैकल्टी फ्राइडे है, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, कल भी मिलेंगे एंड नेक्स्ट थर्सडे विल बी विद सम अनदर टॉपर एंड उनके भी लाइफ के कुछ किस्से जानेंगे हम लोग और उनसे भी जानेंगे उनकी क्या जर्नी रही है, राइट? Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining. Thank you, Sanika. Bye bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.